In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a stroke to text in Affinity Photo. This is a fantastic technique to make your text stand out, giving it that extra bit of flair and distinction that can really make a design pop. Whether you're creating a logo, a promotional image, or just having fun with typography, adding a stroke can enhance the overall impact of your text. So, let's dive into the process together, step by step. First things first, you need to have your text layer ready to go in Affinity Photo. Look to your Layers panel and select the text layer you want to work on. It's crucial to ensure that this layer is active, since all the changes you're about to make will be applied directly to it. Once you have your text layer selected, your next area of focus should be the bottom of the Layers panel. Here, you'll find the FX icon, which stands for Layer Effects. Click on it to open the Layer Effects dialog box, where the magic truly begins. Within the Layer Effects dialog, look to the left side. Here you'll see a list of different effects you can apply. The one we're interested in for this task is labeled as Outline. Sometimes you might see it called Stroke or Outline. Check this option to enable it, and now you're ready to customize your stroke. At this point, you'll notice several settings you can adjust, starting with the radius. The radius determines how thick your stroke will appear. If you want a subtle outline, opt for a smaller radius. For a bolder look, increase the radius to your liking. Next up is the color setting. Click on it to choose the color that will perfectly complement your design. The great thing about this step is that you can experiment with colors to see which works best with your text and background. Moving on, you'll notice the alignment options. Here, you have three choices: inside, outside, or center. This controls where your stroke is positioned relative to the text itself. Inside places the stroke within the boundaries of the text, outside places it outside, and center puts it halfway between both. Play around with these settings to see which gives the best visual effect. Additionally, don't overlook the opacity and blend mode settings, as they offer further refinement, especially if you're looking for a specific texture or transparency effect. Once you've got everything just the way you like, it's time to apply these effects. Click Close or OK to confirm your changes. Now your text will have a stylish, eye-catching stroke around it. Finally, take a moment to refine your stroke if needed. If you desire a thicker stroke, revisit the radius setting and make adjustments. Likewise, if the new stroke causes letters to overlap or look awkward, consider changing the alignment setting between inside, outside, or center to find a better balance. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully added a stroke to your text in Affinity Photo, enhancing your design with just a few clicks. Thank you for following along.